So about this course, so what this course will basically teach you is what Python is, how you can start programming in Python, the basics of Python. All right. And this course will be completely hands-on, where you will be learning by doing. There is no sermons here. All right. And after you complete this course, you can be rest assured that you will start programming in Python, and you can start creating even simple small applications on your own. Okay. It is available everywhere in many apps. They're using Python, and like we all know, the AI and machine learning, all of that. You would have heard of all of those terms, right? Have you come across AI, machine learning, and all? Something like AI, have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is AI? Can anybody just tell me what AI is?
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, that's fine. What is AI? What does artificial intelligence do? Anybody?
It gives the computer to think on its own and give its own decisions based on
Exactly.
previous given data.
Exactly. So what we basically are doing is what we do to small kids, right? From our experience, we teach kids that you do this, this will happen. If you want to eat a banana, peel the banana and then eat it. That is what is AI. So we are basically now training computers to think like us. Okay. So, and in AI, Python is playing a very big role. All right. So, yeah, not only AI, even in web applications. For example, all the apps that you use on your websites and everything, Python is used. Okay. Now, what you need to know to join this course is nothing, absolutely nothing. We will be starting right from the basics of what programming is, how we go about solving programs, and everything. Okay. So, if you do not, even if you do have no idea about computer science or what programmers or anything, no problem. Okay. We will make sure we introduce all those stuffs to you and then move on to the more advanced topics. All right. So, these are some of the modules that you'll be learning in this course. That is, first you will learn what is programming, how you go about creating programs, what are the various steps involved. Then we'll learn what Python actually is, how you install it on your computer, how you can run programs. All right. And then various other stuff in Python, like what are data types and operators, how you can use the data that you have using the variables, and how you will create, how you will go about processing. Processing means you, for example, I'll tell you, I'll give you two numbers, 2 and 4, and I'm telling you to add 2 and 4. So that adding is called processing. So you will learn how you can do all that using the programs. All right. And we'll also finally, there'll be an advanced topic which explains how you'll handle files. For example, files means what? You have Notepad, you have Microsoft Documents, you have PPTs, you have what else? Excel files and everything, right? So we will learn how you can modify or create or store data using your program itself. Okay, you don't have to go click on Microsoft Word, write stuff in that. You can do it using a program itself. So it's going to be very interesting. All right. So we'll be learning all of these concepts in this course.